Hello, hi everyone. This is Abdullah from Dubai. I just took Matt's course for YouTube Mastery. I've done a lot of courses in my life, like a lot, and I've done even YouTube courses as well, and so on. To be very honest, this course was absolutely fantastic. I really loved every part of it, and I really didn't want it to finish. So, if there are more courses or more sessions from Matt, he is so detailed, so customer service oriented. He will show you everything from start to finish. So, I highly recommend this course, and looking forward for more videos and more courses from Matt, and even collaboration with him. So, best of luck, and I highly appreciate this course to everyone. Thanks. Bye bye.
Hey, how's it going? I finished Matt's course. It is pretty good. It's definitely worth your time to save some time in learning the process of making money online through YouTube. It's very detailed and it does give you enough information to start making money very quickly.
Hey guys, in the recent days I bought Matt's course and I just want to say that this course is really detailed. Every lesson is provided with examples, so I have a real image of what to do and how to do. And it gives you information about every aspect of the YouTube and how it works. This is the right course if you want to know everything about how to make money on YouTube. And of course, he has a lot of knowledge about, he has an experience about how to do that. So do not hesitate to take this course. Of course, you might think that this is another spending on another course, but believe me, if you implement everything that you learn from this course correctly, this spending becomes a very valuable investment. You cannot even imagine how valuable this course is. So guys, just take this course.